Tonight's Saturday, and there's Iowa Night Meets is happening at Marion Airport. So they've actually rented the airport to do fun runs down with some of the cars that have already signed up for it. That part's already sold out. But we're going to take the Firebird down and see what it's all about. I've never been to one of these meets before, but I found the group on Facebook. I thought I'd go check it out. I just made it to the beginning here, and it looks like the cars are lined up all the way into the city. Gates were supposed to open 15 minutes ago. This is going to be an absolutely packed show. What is Iowa Night Meets? Well, it's a Facebook page that I found about a month and a half ago, and it looks like it's a group of people that put on an event at different locations throughout Iowa. This time they rented the Marion Airport so they can actually do drag strip runs. I've seen where they rented Hawkeye Downs and they packed the place full of cars. They're actually going to hold a Dubuque night car meet in Dubuque, Iowa. They do sell early registration tickets for VIP members that get you in the gates like an hour early. And I definitely think I'm going to do that for the Dubuque night meets if I end up going to it. So, but we'll get in there and check it all out and see what kind of cars show up. Now that traffic's cleared out, you can see how long the line is. Looks like this must be the airstrip that they're getting runs down. Pretty awesome venue. They got the hangar doors open on a couple of the garages. Looks like this one's packed full of toys rather than airplanes. But there is definitely a variety here. What's going on? Quite assortment of cars getting ready to make passes down the airstrip here. All these guys are signed up to do the fun runs. It's the top three.
Over there, so good luck. Be careful, please.
Love you. great way to spend a Saturday night. Got cars running down the airstrip with an awesome sunset off in the distance. Pretty awesome event. The place was packed. I can't believe how long it took to get in here, but other than that, I had a blast tonight. Cool Saturday night. It's a great time. I definitely think I'm going to get better tickets for the Dubuque meet if I'm going to go, because getting there early and not waiting in this line would probably be beneficial. The next car event I have planned is Wednesday night drag racing at Earlville. They have a street car Wednesday night, and yeah, we're going to do some drag racing on Wednesday.